In today's video I have come up with a new strategy for you. We are constantly bringing new videos for you so that you can benefit from these videos and take your Forex career forward. In that continuation, we have appeared in today's video. If you watch the video and apply this video in the field of trading, then we will be happy. Today we will do an analysis using some indicators and present it to you. That's why you have to watch the video till the end with patience. However, today we will show you how to do this analysis, how to set up the indicators and how to take entries. All the details you will know by watching this video, and I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. In the beginning, we will show you how to set up the indicator here and what to set up. Here we need to set up some indicators for analysis, including moving average, echo forecast, and CM price action. We will analyze using these three indicators as well as show you the entry so that you can understand for yourself how these indicators can help. Let's take a look at the beginning. How do you set up this indicator? To set up the indicator, you will come to the indicator option and type the name of the indicator and search. Here we will make a total of 3 indicators. You must first search by typing the echo forecast, so an indicator will appear in front of us. If you click on it once, this indicator will be set up. Then we will search by typing CM price action. This indicator is in front of us. If we click once on it, this indicator will be set up. Now the indicator we will set up is the moving average. If you type EMA and search, this indicator will come in front of you. We typed and searched, then click once to set up this indicator. We have made 3 indicators. You must have seen, but among these indicators, the last indicator that we have set up, the EMA indicator, needs some setting. So we come to the setting option, and here we have to set up length 200. I repeat, length will be 200, then you are done. Now it's time to analyze. How to analyze? In today's video we will show a very simple analysis so that you can easily understand. In the beginning we will use one indicator at a time. First we will follow the CM price action. Surely you can see that there has been some change in the color of the candles. So if you want to make a buy entry, there must be a blue candle among these candles. That is, whenever you see a blue candle being formed, you will get a buy signal from here. But in this case, a small point to be kept in mind is that the closing of the blue candle should be above the previous candle. If it is not above, then it cannot be considered as a valid candle pattern. Next, the market should be above the moving average line. And lastly, we will take the support of the rest of our indicator, that is echo forecast indicator, and there should be a buy signal. After the end of the market's candle you can see a zigzag line, and this is the line of this forecast indicator. That is, this indicator is giving the direction in which direction the market is likely to go. Here we see it going upwards. In this way, if you get such a signal by analyzing 3 indicators, that is, if all 3 indicators give the same signal, then you can take an entry. If we show you from the market, here you can see that a blue candle has been formed in the market. So now is the time to analyze, and we can see the type of this candle. That is, the closing of the blue candle is above the high of the previous candle. So here our first criteria is okay. If it is correct, then you will do the next analysis. That is, with the help of the rest of the indicators, you have to do the analysis. If we then look at the moving average indicator, here we can see that the market is above the moving average line. So here we can see that the market is in the right position. Then if we analyze with the last indicator, then we can see that the line of the indicator that you see here is signaling upward. If the line of this indicator goes up, then we have a buy signal from here too. We have set up 3 indicators and are getting the same signal from all 3 indicators. You can do analysis exactly like this, and if you get such a position, then you can take an entry. If we look at the next movement of the market, then here you can see that the market has gone straight uptrend, then here our analysis has worked. If you try this way, then surely you can do it too. Hope you can follow this way, and you can follow the same way to get sell entry. That's why you have to follow the opposite way. We will show you how to follow it. But before that, I would like to make a small request to those who have not subscribed to our channel yet. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon next to it to never miss any update. To take a sell entry, you follow these 3 indicators in the same way, but here we have to follow it in reverse. We have to follow it in the opposite way as we have followed before. So first we will follow the candle as before. We were waiting for the blue candle, but now we will wait for the pink candle. Whenever you see such a pink colored candle, you start the analysis. But keep in mind one small thing about this candle. The closing of the pink color candle should be lower than the previous candle. Then moving average indicator will be used, and the market should be below the moving average line to take a sell entry. And there should be a downward signal from the last forecast indicator. If we look at the market, then we can see the line of the forecast indicator has gone down, so the indicator signaling that the market will make a downward movement. Then we can see here there is a pink candle and its closing is below its previous candle. So here our 2 criteria are okay, and we can see in the moving average the market is below the moving average. Then here our criteria is okay. Then you can take an entry from such a position. If we look at the next movement of the market, then you can see that the market has gone downtrend, so you can follow this way. If you can follow this analysis properly, then surely you will get good feedback from here because it works very well, so watch the video carefully. Still, if there is any problem, leave a comment below. Lastly, before ending the video, let's take a look at this analysis shortly. First we will follow the CM price action. Surely you can see that there has been some change in the color of the candles. So if you want to make a buy entry, there must be a blue candle among these candles. That is, whenever you see a blue candle being formed, you will get a buy signal from here. But in this case, a small point to be kept in mind is that the closing of the blue candle should be above the previous candle. If it is not above, then it cannot be considered as a valid candle pattern. Next, the market should be above the moving average line. And lastly, we will take the support of the rest of our indicator, that is echo forecast indicator, and there should be a buy signal. After the end of the market's candle, you can see a zigzag line, and this is the line of this forecast indicator. That is, this indicator is giving the direction in which direction the market is likely to go. Here we see it going upwards. In this way, if you get such a signal by analyzing 3 indicators, that is, if all 3 indicators give the same signal, then you can take an entry.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.